Alright, today we're going to be making quesadillas. First, you're going to need to get out the quesadilla bread, and I like to put mine on the stove. I find it much nicer that way. You're going to turn the flame on, and then it's going to start to burn. It's going to be very nice. You have to be very careful. Ah, fuck! It's kind of hot. Okay, now that's done, you can see it kind of steaming. You need to prop it up. Dude, you really need to stop. Next thing you need some cheese that Rumi left out. You. I thought I didn't want to put it away, so I thought if I shoved it into the refrigerator, nobody would see it. It's pretty much melted already because it was under the fridge, so it's going to be much easier to melt. So right now we're just popping some cheese onto the quesadilla just like that. Then we're going to plop it in the microwave. My microwave, I really don't know how it works, so we're going to put it in there for about 4 minutes. Yeah, but it's pretty hot. Right now we're throwing the cheese away into the garbage. It's Remy. Left the cheese under the fridge.
You're stupid, Noel.
Oh no. No.
You're an idiot. Don't you have to?
Yes, but you said to talk about my friend.
Because you do gay shit like this. And all these owners make their own fucking home cooking.
Right now I'm
making fucking quesadilla.
Right now we're making the quesadilla.
Well, you don't even talk like that. It's such a fake act. You're so gay.
It looks about melted. Take it out. Yeah, that's real nice. It's really nice. That shit looks bomb. Getting out the salsa. Salsa's the shit. Gonna plop it. Have to fold it the Mexican way.
Don't you feel weird? Like, you're...
Oh, whoops. You have to kind of pat it, or else it doesn't turn out the way you want. That looks really nice, and we did an amazing job today. We're gonna take the salsa now. Leave that right there. Now we're going to put the salsa on the thing. There we go. It's empty, so we can throw it out along with the cheese. I think Remy wants quesadilla too.
No!
I forgot the lid. Okay, and there you go, quesadilla. Money, quesadilla.
He said he's looked at butthole before.